Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert background image last page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert background image on the last page. Firstly, click the page, then zoom out the document. Then press on enter on our keyboard. Then go to the last page. Go to the insert menu, then click shapes option. Then choose rectangle shape. Then draw the shape fit to the page. Then click the shape and go to the shape format menu. Then click shape fill option and choose picture fill. Then import picture from our file. Now we can see here we insert this background image on the last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.